Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the half double crochet stitch. So this fabric isn't as firm as the single crochet, so I have single crochet here also. So this has more relaxed look, but not as relaxed as this double crochet would leave. So this is something in the middle, and it is a really easy stitch to make. So I'm gonna show you how it's done over in this piece. So if you would make a single crochet stitch, you would go to the stitch right away, but with half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, you will be adding the yarn over the hook even before you go to the stitch. So with half double crochet, you wrap the yarn around the hook one time before going into the stitch from back to front, and then when you have the yarn firmly on your hook, you go to the stitch like this under the two small bars here and put the yarn over the hook. So actually I have 5 little bars here, so 2 before going into the stitch, then the stitch which consists of 2 bars, and then I have the yarn over that I just put to the hook. So when you have the yarn wrapped around your hook, you bring it through the stitch, so you would have only 3 loops on your hook. And to finish the stitch, you will be adding yarn over the hook one more time, bringing it from back to front, and then pulling through all the loops that you have on your hook, that is through all of these 3 loops. So let's do this also. So this is one half double crochet stitch done. So let's make it one more time. So you put the yarn over the hook before you go into the stitch, put the hook into the stitch under the 2 bars and wrap the yarn around, pull the yarn through the stitch, so you will have 3 loops on your hook, and you add yarn one more time over the hook and finish the stitch pulling through all of the 3 loops that you have on your hook. So this is it. Hope it helped you, and good luck with your crochet project.